Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we're diving into the best cold-pressed juicer for anyone who wants fresh, healthy juice right at home without the hassle. If you love natural flavor and real nutrition in every glass, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the AnyBear cold-pressed juicer. This juicer is built with a strong focus on efficiency, durability, and keeping your juice as healthy as possible. At the heart of it, you get a high-torque 180 nanometers masticating system powered by a 200W motor. It works at a slow 65 revolutions per minute, which is important. That slow speed helps reduce heat and oxidation. In simple words, your juice keeps more nutrients, more natural color, and better taste. One of the standout features of the AnyBear cold-pressed juicer is the 4.3-inch wide feed chute. This means you can drop in larger fruits and vegetables without cutting them into tiny pieces first. It saves time in the kitchen and makes the whole juicing process feel easier and more enjoyable. You just add your produce and let the machine do the hard work. Inside, there is a heavy-duty auger made from premium PMMA material. This part is responsible for crushing and pressing the fruits and vegetables. Because it is strong and well-built, it improves juice extraction and is designed to last a long time. You get more juice from the same amount of produce, which means less waste and better value. The feed chute is made from baby food-grade USA Triton material. That is a big plus for anyone who cares about safety and purity. It helps make sure your juice stays clean and natural, without unwanted flavors. You can feel confident that what you are drinking is fresh and safe for the whole family. Cleaning is often the part people worry about, but the AnyBear cold-pressed juicer keeps it simple. It uses a one-piece stainless steel filter, which means fewer parts to deal with. The juicer also comes with a 3-step disassembly process. You take it apart quickly and give it a rinse with the included brush. Most of the time, one good rinse is enough. That makes it much easier to use daily. Another great benefit is the 5-year warranty from AnyBear. You also get free replacements and customer service available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That kind of support gives real peace of mind. It shows that AnyBear stands behind the quality of the AnyBear cold-pressed juicer. On top of that, you get access to a collection of juice recipes. This helps you try new flavor combinations and enjoy a wide variety of colorful, nutrient-rich drinks at home. It keeps things exciting and encourages you to make juicing part of your routine. The design looks modern and solid, with a strong build that feels stable on your counter. Everything about the AnyBear cold-pressed juicer is made to give you a smooth and enjoyable juicing experience, from powerful extraction to easy cleaning and long-term reliability. This could be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your lifestyle. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.